If you are looking for how to turn on or off headphone accommodations on your iPhone, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the balance and brightness of tones according to your preferences. After watching this video, you will be able to easily adjust these settings on your own iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual. Once you are on this page, you'll see that the first option is Headphone Accommodations. So go ahead and tap on that. And in order to turn this feature on, simply toggle this. And now you can tune your audio for balanced tone, vocal range, or brightness. So if you are using your headphones for calls or audio-related activities, simply tap on the vocal range. And over here, you can boost soft sound slightly, moderately, or strongly. So you can apply this to only your phone or media, or both at the same time. And if you don't like how it sounds, you can always toggle this off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.